Hello, my friends. Today we are embarking on a journey to explore sweet corn farms across several states in the United States. We will delve into the intricate processes involved in harvesting millions of ears of sweet corn, examining the yield, value, and the hard work of the dedicated individuals who make it all possible. Sweet corn is the second largest processed crop in the United States, trailing only behind tomatoes. In 2023, the total value of the sweet corn crop in the United States was estimated to be around $810 million, reflecting a steady increase due to rising demand and improved agricultural practices. Projections for 2024 indicate a further rise, with an anticipated value of $835 million. Our first stop is a bustling sweet corn farm in Florida. This state remains the largest producer of sweet corn in the nation. In 2023, Florida's sweet corn planting area expanded to approximately 39,000 acres, yielding an impressive 345,000 tons. Every October, over 5,000 workers, primarily from Mexico and Guatemala, migrate to Florida to participate in the harvest. These hard-working individuals earn an average wage of $18 per hour. The hand-picking process, though labor-intensive, ensures the highest quality of sweet corn reaches the market. Next, we travel to Riverside County, California, where sweet corn harvesting is a nocturnal activity due to the sweltering daytime temperatures. The farms here are equipped with advanced technology that allows for the corn to be packed right in the fields, eliminating the need for packing factories. In 2023, California dedicated around 24,000 acres to sweet corn cultivation, producing approximately 175,000 tons. This accounted for 17% of the total sweet corn production in the United States. Projections for 2024 show a slight increase in both acreage and yield, continuing California's significant contribution to the industry. Our journey then takes us to the picturesque Yakima Valley in Washington State. Historically, Washington boasted the largest sweet corn growing area in the country, with over 93,000 acres at its peak. However, in recent years, this number has declined sharply. In 2023, the acreage fell to 25,000, producing around 85,000 tons of sweet corn. Despite this reduction, Washington remains a key player in the industry, utilizing efficient conveyor systems to transport the harvested corn to packing facilities. In Michigan, we observe a different approach to sweet corn harvesting. Here, modern machinery replaces manual labor, allowing for the efficient harvesting of millions of ears of corn. In 2023, Michigan's sweet corn acreage was recorded at 10,000 acres, with a yield of about 75,000 tons. The harvested corn is swiftly transported to warehouses for packaging, ensuring freshness and quality. Returning to Florida, sweet corn harvesting is a meticulously organized operation designed to maximize efficiency. In 2024, Florida dedicated 15,000 acres to sweet corn, producing around 110,000 tons. Workers expertly arrange the harvested corn to ensure that each truck is loaded to its full capacity, demonstrating remarkable teamwork and efficiency. This method not only maximizes the load on each truck, but also ensures that the corn reaches its destination in the best possible condition, maintaining its freshness and quality. Our exploration continues to the cornfields of Indiana and Ohio. These states exemplify the innovative agricultural techniques employed across the United States. By late April, most corn farmers begin the seeding process, utilizing advanced machinery capable of planting approximately 350,000 seeds per acre. In 2023, there were around 320,000 corn farms in the United States, with 95% being family-owned enterprises. According to statistics from 2022 and 2023, approximately 32% of the United States arable land is dedicated to corn cultivation, amounting to 94 million hectares. The typical growing season from seeding to harvest spans about 115 days. Most corn varieties require around 600,000 gallons of water per acre. To combat pests and aphids, planes are used to spray probiotics, highlighting the country's advanced agricultural technology. Early data from 2024 indicates a continued increase in corn cultivation area, reflecting the crop's crucial role in the agricultural sector. By late summer, the cornfields across the United States are ready for harvest. Giant harvesters move through the fields, efficiently gathering the corn. The United States has consistently been the world's largest corn producer, with 2023 seeing a production of approximately 365 million tons, representing 36% of global corn production. In 2023, the country exported 75 million tons of corn, generating around $10 billion in revenue. China remains the largest importer of U.S. corn, accounting for 34% of the exports. Early estimates for 2024 indicate a continued increase in production and exports, reinforcing the United States' leading position in the global corn market. In conclusion, the cultivation and harvesting of sweet corn After harvesting, the corn is transported to warehouses for drying and storage, ensuring it remains in optimal condition until it reaches consumers. The entire process, from planting to packing, exemplifies the remarkable advancements in agricultural practices and technology in the United States. The sweet corn farms and gained insight into the incredible effort behind every ear of corn. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section and stay tuned for more agricultural adventures. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.